I don't know, it's looking good or it's just an idea. Hello folks, this very short video. I'm gonna try to install the rear MudGuard. I know in the market they selling the MudGuard or fender right here in the front of the tire, of the rear tire. That way we can protect the computer and the rear strut or shock on the system. That way we don't have a lot of wet or a lot of water or a lot of debris from the street. But this mod is from my my GS. This motorcycle came with the same setup and the rear end like the GS. As you can see right here in this position, the rear end's got like 3 holes. What I know, understanding that holes or that setup, it's if in case we can put like a license plate holder, so that way we can go all the way right here to the back. But like I said, I just wanna try to see how it looks like a sport touring bike with this MudGuard from my GS. I just took it out from the GS and I'm gonna try to put in the R1250. I know the tire slit, it's wider, as you can see. We want to use a Torx T27 and a little ratchet. Okay, like I said, it's the same position like the GS, the same setup. I'm going to install the little 3 bolts, screws, T27s. I'm not sure it's looking good because, like I said, this one is a sport touring bike. There you go. I don't know. I would like to know your thoughts about it. I take it out the MudGuard from my GS, and then I install it right here to this RS. I don't know what you think. I'm excited to hear your opinion, and thanks for watching.